had the apps on for about 2.5 hours, and I was able to make 30 bucks on DoorDash and another 31 bucks on Uber. Welcome back. It's your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, Grubhub, and all the rest. So let's go ahead and get our day started. We're gonna go ahead and turn on DoorDash. We're gonna see what we get. I'm Top Dasher. It's not super busy in my area, but I'm gonna go ahead and click it on. You see the time is 11:20. So I'm gonna go ahead and schedule myself in to about 2 o'clock. That seems like a good enough time, right, sir? Yes, I got all my items. Come on, DoorDash. You know me. All my things, I'm ready to go. 63% on the acceptance rate. That's what I'm working with right now. So Top Dasher, as a Top Dasher, I've been noticing that I don't have to decline as much stuff. So it's been a lot of priority orders and diamond orders and high paying orders, and I think I've been making a lot more as a Top Dasher, to be honest with you. Don't gotta worry about scheduling, don't gotta worry about none of that crazy nonsense, getting my dash paused and continual pauses and rolling pauses. I haven't had to worry about any of those things, so it's been working out good for me. And look at that, we got our first order of the day already. $7.25 for 6.3 miles. It's early, it's over 650 hidden tip indicator. 6.3 miles, a little bit distance on there, but it's Buffalo Wild Wings and it's 4 items. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that right up. Now, if you don't know, if you got the DoorDash widget on your phone, you can go ahead and pop that open. You can see that right there. You can go ahead and click over delivery info, and then it can give you a little list of all the items right there, and it gives you a subtotal right there at the bottom. So I can see that for these 4 items, we got a subtotal of $44.97. Not bad. So that's pretty much 45 bucks. So that's actually a pretty good order to start our day off with. Hopefully we get, you know, 5 bucks on this order, and that'll be a nice way to start the day off. So let's get it done. You're gonna have a great day when you pull up to your first delivery. It's a good offer for one, and when you get there, it's already ready. Let's go. Stop playing with it. 5 over shown. Let's see what we get. 8 bucks, not bad. So it went up. For 3.9 miles. Oh my goodness, man. I hope I get an ad on. If not, I'm gonna be a clown today, because I think this might be a no-tip order. We're gonna go. Order wasn't too bad. We did actually have a $1 tip on there, so I'm cool with that, as long as it was something. Now we got $6.50 for 7.4 miles, but just like my boy UDM was saying in his video, this is an order taking me where I need to go, so I'm taking it. Keep these wheels rolling. So while I was in Freddy's, I managed to pick up a nice stack on Uber, $14.50 for 6 miles heading in the same direction as that Freddy's. So you know I'm multi-apping all the way. Let's go ahead and get all 3 of these orders dropped off. Got that DoorDash order dropped off, and they already sent me another one. Woo, look at that. $2.50 for 7 miles at the Indian spot. No tip, no trip, man. I'm not confronting any no tippers today. I ain't even set up for all that. So we're gonna go ahead and have to decline that one for now. And you know what? While I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and pause my dash, because I got this fire. Alrighty, so DoorDash coming through with some nice little orders. Now we got $9.50 for 6 miles at Red Robin. So we're gonna go ahead and slide over to Red Robin. I'm gonna stack it with this crumble cookie order I got on Uber. $14.25 on the crumble cookie order. But that's a $20 hour right there, so we're gonna go ahead and accept that one. Alrighty, got that Red Robin dropped off, handed it to the customer. Woo, look at that. Woo, whoa, I don't even know what that was. $9.50 turned into 11 bucks. Let's go. Yes, sir, got that Uber order dropped off, $14.50 for 10 miles. Usually when it's over 11 bucks and it's high mileage on the Uber order, it usually goes up, and that was a lot of cookies. If I had to estimate, I would say that was probably at least $70 worth of cookies. So let's go. So we're gonna go ahead and resume our dash right here on DoorDash. Let's see where we at. 24 minutes left on that pause. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and resume that, and we're gonna see what we get. Alrighty, so the time is now 1:57. I had the apps on for about 2.5 hours, and I was able to make 30 bucks on DoorDash and another 31 bucks on Uber. I had a Grubhub order, but it ended up getting canceled on me. No biggie, would have been an extra 10 bucks, but 60 bucks for 2.5 hours, and I probably was really active for like 2 of those hours, but I had the apps on for 2.5 hours. So 60 bucks for 2 hours, 30 bucks an hour. I'll take that all day. Now I'm gonna go home, get this video finished, take me a little break, and I'm gonna smash it out for the dealership and make me some real money. If you're enjoying these videos, make sure you leave your boy a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.